So I'm going to be showing you how to work Google Keep. First we'll start off just by going to the actual site, and it's going to automatically bring me to my account once I click on this. Now this account is accessible through any device that has internet access. So anything that you put on here can be re-accessed from another device, and it does have an app version of it now, so you're able to see it on your phone, which is really useful for stuff like, let's start a list, and okay, well, we'll go with the grocery store. Example, and let's say we need ham, and then it even brings up recommendations, so let's pick one, a hamburger bun, and milk, and whatever it is that you might need at the grocery store, and you just make your list all the way through, and you can access it on your phone through the app, or if you want to carry your laptop around, you can access it through there, or any way that you can get internet access, you'll be able to see what you put on here, which also works in business environments, like say if you're at a meeting and you're taking notes like 20% of the sales were from female co-workers, whatever that might be used for. Well, and let's say you just needed to remember that for whatever reason, you just write it down all the way through it, and again, since it's available through an app version, you can just be using your app instead of having your computer sitting out there in the middle of a meeting, and you're able to access it later. And then this, like say you needed to look at it at 5 o'clock, you hit this little icon, remind me, you pick a date and time, April 18th at 8 a.m. Sure, save, so that's going to remind me at 8 a.m. about a meeting that I didn't go to. And then collaborator, here you can add people, so people can actually look at your note, so you can send this out to the entire office, or if you're in a class and someone is missing that day, you can send it out to them so they have their notes. Here you can just change colors and change it to blue, which is cool. You can add an image. We can do that. Let's add, well, sure, that's my mom, my little sister. We'll add them. And I'll add that in the corner. You can archive it, so you can like save it. It's not on this part anymore, your main part, but if you go to archived, it is still there. You just don't have to stare at it. And then again, you can delete it and add a label, a drawing. You can make a copy of it, show check boxes, grab image text, and then copy to Google Docs, which is really cool, because that saves a lot of time, not having to re-type everything. And over here, it'll just show you reminders, which is what I just set up. This will show all of your notes. This is just a hello. And it says, take a note. That's where you create a new one. You can actually change this and create a new label. So if I wanted to say, what's up? There it is. That's just a way to like organize different stuff. Trash just shows you what you've been erasing. And yeah, that's pretty much it.